I took the car for a ride yesterday, and it gave me not check engine light, service engine soon. So I went ahead and read the codes, and guess what it tells me? It tells me that the motor electronics DME has an error. I checked what that was, which we will post it, and the air mass flow sensor, this one, is given a faulty code. I already took it out and clean it. What I'm gonna do right now is take this one out and clean it and show you how to do it. You'll save a lot of money by doing so. The first thing you had to do is just pop these clips, 4 clips on the air filter box. Here's the 4 clips. Second is plop these 2 clicks here by the air mass flow sensor. One on the top, one on the bottom. So that's off. Second thing is unloosening this clamp, because we're gonna take this piece out. And third thing is take the connector from the air mass sensor. All right, we're gonna clean this and we're gonna show you how to do this. All right, be very careful with this because they could be fragile. All right, so let's take this out. Be easy on it. Look at that, a clean air filter. Wow. All right. All right, this is the air mass sensor. So we're gonna take this out and clean it. We're gonna use the compressed air and just clean this as well. All right, folks, here is the air mass flow sensor. I mean, you can clean it without taking the sensor out of the housing, but I'd rather take it so I can clean the housing, blow some air in here, clean it, throw some spray, and also if you take it, you have better accessibility to clean it. So you just take this T screws out. Look at that, how simple it is with your hand. Now you need a tool for it. Just take them out. What I did as well, and I don't know, I mean, I'm gonna play with it, just in case I don't screw it up, I actually with a marker marked how it should go back together, because you don't want to put it the wrong way. Let me see if it does go the wrong way. Actually, no, you can't fail. I mean, it's only one way to put it back, but just in case I did that anyway, but it's only one way to put it back. All right, so here it is. Doesn't look dirty at all, but I'm gonna clean it. And let me show you the product that I'm gonna be using to clean it. This air mass flow sensor, if you buy it, it's anywhere between $150 and $200. And basically what you need to do is just clean it. It's not that dirty anyway, but just clean it and that's fine. You'll save yourself $200 plus the trouble in getting one. Clean this too as well. Right, that should be suffice. And this is what I'm using, mass airflow sensor cleaner. You can get it in eBay, you can get it in Amazon, anywhere really. Let's throw some air. What I also recommend is use electric cleaner on your air mass sensor plug. All right, limpialo bien. This is good. And do the same thing in this plug right here. Not that it was dirty, but just in case anyway, it's out. Doesn't take long to do it. All right, let's put it back together. And it's only one way to put it back together, which is the right way. All right. All right, let's put this back together. So, the way you do this, follow the arrow, the airflow, which is going towards the engine. Slightly, just slide it through. Don't force it. If it goes forceful, that means that's a problem, right? All right, let's plug this in. Once you hear the click, it's on. All right, so this is on. Let's pour the air filter. Okay. Don't force anything, just do it nice and slow. And all should click into place. All right, that looks good. That looks good here too as well. You gotta watch this hose, make sure you don't break it. All right. Click, 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 bottom click. Yeah, I did that one. Yes, I did. All right, let's just tighten the clamp and we're good. And by the way, these are OEM clamps. They're BMW clamps. You can see it over here. BMW. I know they look aftermarket, but they're not. All right, this is done. Till next video, please join and like it.